Okay, start. Okay, hello, we are from Team Innovation from SESE 1203 Software Engineering Principle. This is our Sprint 1 review for the next Scholar project. In Sprint 1, we focus on Epic 1, which is scholarship discovery. We have completed 3 user stories, which is US 101, US 102, and US 103. Let me pass it to each team member to demonstrate their work. Maybe we can start with Faustina as the UX.
Okay, thank you, Laura. Hi, I am Faustino Shangolifia, the UX designer for this project. For US 101, I created the user flow showing how a student navigates from opening the app to browsing scholarships, as you can see on the shared screen. And I also designed the low fidelity wireframe for the scholarship listing page, which includes the navigation bar, search bar, and scholarship cards, which is here. And then for US 102, I designed the filter UI wireframe showing the faculty dropdown, GPA input, and deadline picker. And lastly, for US 103, I designed a notification UI, including the bell icon and the notification pop-up list, which you guys can also see right here. There's also the light theme and the dark theme. Hold on, it's loading there. Maybe Fabian can explain what he's done next as the front designer.
Okay, hi, I'm Fabian, the front-end developer for this project. Based on Faustina wireframe, I created the front-end mockup for two user stories. For US 101, the mockup shows the full scholarship listing page, with cards displaying the scholarship full name. For US 102, the mockup shows an interactive filter panel that can be opened and closed, which is here and this one. Here I made two mockup mode as example. This one and this one use light mode, and this one use dark mode. That's all from me. Maybe next Rafi will explain.
Hello? Hello?
Yes, hello?
Can you guys see the screen?
Yep, clear.
Okay, so I am responsible for the scholarship filters, scholarship listing, and notifications. Here you can see the filters. There's any, and then this is the price range, education level, high school to doctorate. Then you can choose the deadline. After that, we have the listings. This is where you can see all of your offers. And then this is the menu under. And this is the notifications. Here you can see from your listings. Then this is the light mode. Okay, thank you. I think Aditya next.
Okay. Hello everyone. So I am Adityo and I'm the backend member for this project. For Sprint 1, I prepared the backend documentation for all three user stories, which is user story 101, 102, and 103. And this is the user story 101. I documented the scholarship entity data structure and created a system flow diagram here to showing how the system fetch and display the scholarship. And we are going to user story 102 And here I made the filter scholarship by criteria, and I documented the filter logic, including the input parameters, process, and output. Okay, here's also the system flow for user story 102. And the last one is user story 103. It's to receive the notification logic. It's showing how the system detects new scholarship and sends notification to eligible students. So here's the logic and here's the system flow. Okay, I think that's all for me as a backend data. I'll give it next. It's Laura.
Okay, thank you everyone. So to summarize the sprint one, from all the deliverables, all three user stories were successfully completed by 12 June 2026, which is right on time, the last day of the sprint. And the team demonstrated good progress and collaboration throughout the sprint. So in Sprint 2, we will focus on Epic 2, which is application management, covering US 201, US 202, and lastly US 203. That is all from us. Thank you.